Hi, welcome to Exercise Well with me, Stephanie Mansour. Today, I'm showing you 3 exercises that you can do with a Pilates ring to help tighten and tone your inner thighs. So to start, I'm gonna lie down on my side, and you can do this on the couch or on the carpet in front of the television. So I'm going to lie down using my forearm to prop me up, pulling my abs in, and then placing this Pilates ring above my ankles on both legs. Extending the legs out, and here I am on a diagonal with my legs, flexing my feet, and then pressing the ring together, squeezing so that both my inner thighs here are feeling tight and engaged, and then releasing. Squeezing in and then releasing. This requires a little bit of balance too. We're gonna do 10 on this side and then flip over and do 10 on the other side. Next, we're going to lie down on our backs and come into a bridge position. So, lying down with the heels towards the glutes, we're going to open the knees and place the Pilates ring on those upper inner thighs. Pull the navel in towards the spine, press the back gently in towards the ground, and we're gonna roll up here into a bridge position. Holding here, we're gonna squeeze the ring, pretend like you're trying to break that ring with your inner thighs, and then release. Squeeze and release. So this is really working the upper inner thighs so that we can get them nice and strengthened. They are part of the core, so we're engaging the abs as well for a full core workout. Finally, I'm gonna show you an exercise that you can do while you're standing up. While you're standing, we're going to place the feet in a V position, so pressing the heels together and toes apart. Then bend the knees so that we can place this Pilates ring inside those upper inner thighs, just above the knee joint. You wanna avoid the knee joint because we don't wanna injure the knees, and we wanna really work the upper inner thighs, so we place the ring just above the knees. So from this bent position, abs in tight, we're gonna squeeze the ring in and then release. Whew, I feel my inner thighs shaking here as I do this. And again, we're trying to work inside that leg and repeating this 10 times for the maximum benefits. You can repeat all 3 of these exercises every other day for a total of 10 repetitions each to really feel those inner thighs getting strong, tight, and toned. Thanks for watching. This is Exercise Well with me, Stephanie Mansour. Have a great day.